Hola gente, how's it going? My name is Mr. Salsa, and today we're going to be doing a fun little salsa workout using our basics and some other variations. Follow me, starting with the left leg. We go. Pa medio. 2, 3, 5, 6. So Montuno. Basic. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Left, right, together. Right, left. Now twice as fast. Uno. Oye, lateral. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Left, right, together. Right, left. Twice as fast. Uno. Guapea. Nice and slow. We go. In place, together. At an angle. Place, together. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now twice as fast. And some Montuno basic. Lateral. Oye, Guapea going back. Uno. Italiano Mambo, nice and slow. We go tap together, tap together, tap together. Now twice as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mambo dos, nice and slow. We go side, tap, side, tap, side, tap, side, tap. 5, 6. Now twice as fast. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mambo Uno in place. 1. Mambo dos, side tap. Basic. Mueve la cintura, mano arriba. Y Montuno. Oye, Quebrado. We go in place together. In place together. Again. Left, right, together. Right, left. Now twice as fast. Lateral, Quebrado. We go left. Again with the left. Now left it twice. 1. And 5, 6, 7. Whole thing. 1. Guapea, Quebrado. Nice and slow. We go 1, 2, 3. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1. Y ahí nada más. All right. Some fun basics there. Let's get to the next one, shall we? Here we go. 5, 6, pa medio. Okay? Oye, somos Montuno Quebrado. Lateral Quebrado. Una más. Guapea, Quebrado. Oye, somos Montuno. Cruzado variation, very slow. We go cross, back, together. Cross, forward, together. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, twice as fast. Last one. Lateral, cruzado. Left, right, cross in front. Right, left, cross in front. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, twice as fast. Oye, Guapea cruzado variation. We go in place, slide together, cross, open together. Again, in place. Together, cross, and now twice as fast. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Somos Montuno. Oye, Mambo Uno y 2. Caminamos. Let's go for a walk. Left, right, left, right, and left, right, left. Regresa, going back. A la izquierda, to the left. A la derecha, ¿eh? Pa medio, ¿eh? Vamos tú. Oye, heel twist, ¿eh? Cross, together. Heel, twist, together. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, twice as fast. 1. Last one. So Montuno. Nice and slow. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Twice as 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Woo! I'm getting my sweat on already. Are you? All right, let's get to the next one, shall we? Here we go. If you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already.
El son de Cuba traigo yo. Apúrense que el son llegó. El son de Cuba. El son de Cuba traigo yo. Porque la fiesta ya empezó. La fiesta sigue toda la noche con este ritmo tan especial. La gente baila, la gente goza con esa música original. El son de
Guapea,
Cuba.
Quebrado.
El son de Cuba traigo yo. Apúrense que el son llegó. El son de Cuba. El son de Cuba traigo yo. Porque la fiesta ya empezó. Ya empezamos a fiestar, mamita, ven y juntos vamos a bailar.
Lateral, cruzado.
Toda la noche, ven y juntos vamos a gozar.
Y abre, open up. Left, pivot, together. Right, pivot, and step forward. Again, left, pivot, and step forward. Right, pivot now, twice as fast.
Son, yo le traigo mi son. Yo le traigo mi son. Ay, mi son para
Last
bailar,
one.
mi son para gozar.
Oye, somos uno.
Si yo te traigo mi rico son.
Dale Mambo Uno.
Ay, yo le traigo mi son. Ay, yo le traigo mi son. Son para bailar.
Pues again, here we go.
Eso es, mi gente buena, el tercero mayor.
Un pasito, nice and slow. We go. Heel, toe, toe. Out, together, and out, together. Again, heel, toe, toe. Out, together, out. One more time. Heel, toe, toe. 6. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 2 more. Oye, somos regular basic, regular. Variation. And now, syncopated. Nice and slow. We go 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6. Now twice that. Somos tú, ¿no?
El son de Cuba. El son de Cuba traigo yo.
Suzy
Apúrense
Q.
que el son llegó. El son de Cuba. El son de Cuba traigo yo. Porque la
Syncopatede
fiesta
Suzy
ya
Q.
empezó.
Cross.
La fiesta sigue
Out.
toda la noche
Suzy
con este ritmo
Q.
tan especial.
Cross.
La gente baila,
Open.
la gente goza con
Suzy
esa
Q. One more time,
música
slow.
original.
Cross. Open.
Sabroso.
Suzy Q. Right foot. Cross. Open. Suzy Q. All right, with the music. Here we go. Suzy Q. Syncopated. Cross. Suzy Q. Cross. Out. 5, 6, 7. On 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3. Somos uno. Suzy Q Largo. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now twice as fast. 3, hold, switch, 1, 2, 3, hold, switch, 1. Oh yeah, go Montuno. Nice and slow, Italiano Uno, we go. Cross, cross, together, cross, out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, step fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. Montuno. All right, here we go. Italiano 2. This is the we go 1 and 5, 6 and 7 together. Base 1. One more time. Here we go. Italiano 2 and 1, 5, 7, 8, 1. All right, I'm gonna do the front view now. Keep going your basic. 5, 6, forward. Y 1. Italiano 2. Here we go. We go 1 and 5 and 7 together and a 1. Okay, let's try it all together. Here we go. And a 1. Italiano 1 y 2. So go 1, 2. And Italiano 1 y 2. And 1, 2, 3 together. 5, 6, 8 and 1, 3. Here we go. Suzy Q, regular Suzy Q. Now, Syncopated. Cross, out. Y Suzy Q Largo. Basic. And place. Alright, we got one more song, yo. Woo, definitely getting my sweat on. Alright, last one, best one. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, pa medio. Y. Dale sabor. Let's roll that shoulder. Sí. Montuno, Quebrado. Lateral, Quebrado. Oye, Guapea, Quebrado. Y somos Montuno. Cruzado. And Syncopated. Montuno, Lateral, Cruzado. Y Abre. Quebrado, y Cruzado. Vamos. Somos Montuno. Mambo Uno y 2. Italiano 1 y 2. Un pasito. Nice and slow. Now, twice that. Somos Guapea, Quebrado, Regresa. Montuno. Ahí está. Alright, mi gente, that will conclude our fun workout for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. If you want a step-by-step breakdown of all the moves that we did today for this fun workout, I'll put them in the description down below so you can check them out at your own time and really get those moves down. Other than that, my name is MrSalsa. This is the Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, your friends. Y hasta la próxima.